Quick review about this video. In this video, I will show you how to add Google AdSense code to your website through Hostinger platform. And how to get AdSense code, so please watch it without skip. Let's get started. First, we need to log in to our Google AdSense account and Hostinger account both. Let's find the code, log into Google AdSense account. Now I am on AdSense account for getting a code. We need to add our website first in a FAM of https:// and enter your website address and hit on save. Then go to connect your site to AdSense and hit let's go and wait for open. Now hit on copy and now leave here and go to Hostinger account. Now I am my Hostinger account on the left side column. Go to website section, then select your website on which you want to add AdSense code and hit on edit website. Wait for it to open. Once it is open on the left side column, you have to select three-dot sign. Then click on Integration As, and then go on Custom Code, and paste the Google AdSense code here, and hit Save Changes. That's all here. Now go back on your Google AdSense account, and check the box, and hit Verify. Thanks for watching.